Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria Linda Diaz. If you're returning, thanks for stopping by again. And if you're not, and if you're new, hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be looking at the VXR10 Pro. It's a super cardioid condenser shotgun microphone. You could use it on your smartphone, your laptops, your cameras, your tablets. And I got this on Amazon for, at the time of recording this video, I got this on Amazon for $49.99. So I want to see how it performs, and I will show you some sample clips of how it performs. But right now, let's get into the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here's the box you're gonna get. It says VXR10 Pro Super Cardioid Condenser Shotgun Microphone. Compact and powerful, max noise reduction, universal compatibility, and then the Rycote, I don't know how to pronounce that, shock mount. So it's compatible with all these things: your camera, your laptop, your tablets, your smartphone, etc. And I already opened this. So you're gonna get a sticker, I believe, a happy to not happy card, and then you're gonna get the user manual. And inside the box you are presented with this. I thought was really cool. It came with its own case, and it's not super hard, but it's not soft either, so it's kind of like a hard shell case. And so you open the case and your microphone is sitting right here, your shock mount is sitting right here, and right here is all your connections. So it does come with the microphone, so let's take a look at that. It comes with this filter. It says Movo on it. This is the microphone. Let's put that back on. And if you turn it around, it has your line out for your camera or your smartphone, and then it has a headphone monitoring jack. But I watched some reviews and they said that you could only use this on some apps on your smartphone. It's not like you can hear everything that you're recording, like from the mic, camera, or so. This cable came with it. This is the cable that goes to your camera, and it has little indication tabs right here that'll tell you connect that to your camera, and then connect this microphone part to the mic. It also came with this furry dead cat. So I was watching reviews, and this dead cat is supposed to go over already a filter foam microphone. So this dead cat is supposed to go over this. But I'm pretty sure if you want to do it however you want to do it, I mean, that's fine. It also came with a smartphone cable. See, it has a picture of a mic, and then it has a picture of a little phone. So I'm going to put this all back, and we are going. I thought it was really nice how it came with a case, and a really good case. we're going to hear how this microphone sounds. So take one last look at it. We are going to hear how it sounds compared to the camera, compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so all the sound that you're hearing right now, the audio, you are getting it from the Sony ZV-1, the onboard microphone that is on the camera. And I'm going to show you how it sounds compared to the Movo. But right now, the audio that you're hearing is from the Sony ZV-1. Okay, the audio that you're hearing right now is from the Movo RX10 VXR10 Pro. So this is the audio that you're hearing right now. It is from the shotgun condenser microphone, and let me know what you guys think. Right now what you're hearing is the audio coming directly from the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know what you think of the quality versus the camera, versus the phone, versus the Movo mic. Is there a difference? Let me know in the comments below. Also, which one do you think sounds the best? Here's an audio test of the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the Movo VXR10 Pro. Let me know how you think it sounds. Does the audio quality sound any different? Mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2. Hello guys, so right now I have the camera arm's length away from me, and I'm walking in a nature park. You can see there is like a highway right next to me. I don't know if you can hear the cars, but right now the audio that you're hearing is coming directly from the Movo RX10 Pro. And how does it sound? I'm going to switch over to the Sony ZV-1 mic and let's see if we hear any difference. Okay, so the audio right now you're getting from the Sony ZV-1. I don't know if you could hear the cars. There's a highway right next to me. Like I said, I don't know if you could hear the cars behind this park. There's a highway, a major highway. How does it sound? This is audio, like I said, from the Sony ZV-1. Is there any difference? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, now we are back and we are talking on the Movo RX10 Pro. Let me know if you hear any sound audio differences between the Sony ZV-1 and the onboard mic versus the Movo 10 Pro, RX10 Pro, and that mic. I'm outside. It's not too loud here, but there are cars going by and birds chirping. I'm wondering if you can hear that, or me walking. We'll see. By the way, this is how it looks propped up on a camera, in case you're wondering how big it is compared to a camera. This is not heavy at all. It's still manageable. So this is something that I wanted to show you.